Hello. Good morning, traders. Welcome to the live stream. We started the day of a week. Let's see what's happening. There's a okay of things everywhere. Nasdaq was did good on Friday. Nasdaq was did good. And as of now, we see there's a flat opening. And today is a mid-cap expiry. Nifty is down by 0.5%. If we see the today's trading range, if I see the today's trading range of a Nifty, I'm expecting a sideways. Okay, I'm expecting some sideways needs to be continued for a day. There won't be a much momentum. I'll be expecting the Nifty to be trades in a range of 21,448 as a support and 22,122 as a resistance for a day. Let's see if it breaks this resistance for an upside. We can put a new target or a new barrier for a day. But as of now, it looks like there would be a sideways day in a Nifty. A good fall is happening in the bank Nifty because this all range looks very weak. Okay, all range looks very weak, and if we expand the prior support, there can be an alt from a bank Nifty. If it falls, there would be an alt at a level of 45,280. So if this is a case, what we can expect in the bank Nifty is like this area will act as a resistance. We can take away this. Yeah, put this. Okay, in the bank Nifty, the range that I was expecting for a that I will be expecting for a day is, I'm expecting Bank Nifty to be trades in a range of 44,600 as a support and 46,540 as a resistance for a day. Some sell-off is there in the Bank Nifty, needs to be seen for a day how it will go. All the indexes are turned into a red. Minor sell-off, but in Bank Nifty it's a good sell-off. If I see the mid-cap, and let's put a Nifty over here. Okay, as today is a mid-cap expiry, this part of the area looks very weak. So let me. No, the overall trend looks like some sideways to a downfall. Okay, let's put this as a support. If we see the strength of this. A very good consolidation in the mid cap the last 3 days, and open gap up, so another kind of resistance will be there for sure. So I'm not expecting. Okay, multiple barriers for this index mid cap. So what I'm expecting in the mid cap is, I'm expecting mid cap to be trades in a range of 10,420 or 10,430 as a support and 10,900 as a resistance for a day. Needs to be seen how it goes. But overall, in all the indexes, I'm expecting sideways to a downfall. Okay, a good sell-off is there in the Bank Nifty. If we see a range of Nifty, let me post in the chart. The Bank Nifty trading range. And for a Bank Nifty, there is a good sell-off has happened on the Friday. And as of now, if we look, this part of the area looks very weak, so the market can rally towards this point of an area. Okay, at this point of area looks very weak, so it can just trap the sellers, and all the short covering can gonna happen now for a day. If short covering can gonna happen, then it will propel the market towards higher side. And Nifty looking a little bit of strong. Okay, so initially what we will expect is like, and if it even if it starts to take a pullback, it won't breaks this level for a day. So bank nifty trading range will be 44,600 as a support and 46,000 on almost 540 as resistance. The same structure. Okay, it looks, this part of the area looks very weak, and there is a good base formation over at this point of area in nifty, so we can expect a good little bit of up move. Okay, since as this point of area looks very weak, so we can expect a little bit of up move. So if this is the case, we can reduce our support to this point of area. Okay, so what I'll be expecting is, okay, I'm expecting nifty to be trades in a range of 21,650 as a support and 22,120 as a resistance for a day. Let's see how it goes. So a pullback is there, needs to be seen. Midcap is becoming strong. And also having a multiple resistance for a day for a midcap. Let's see how it goes. No, this is just a pullback. Okay, this is just a pullback, not a rally. Midcap. But overall, this part of the area looks very weak, and also it will be act as a support this point of area. Okay, bank nifty. Just a sideways, okay? Just a sideways. Just a pullback is what gonna happening. Both are same. Nifty, Bank Nifty. This is not a rally, okay? This is not a rally. This is just a pullback. There's a multiple resistance for a day for a mid cap. Needs to be seen how it breaks. If it really wants to break, it needs to get a time correction over here. Okay. Just a sideways stuff. See, this part of both the part of the areas looks very weak. Okay, if we see towards an upper side, this is also looks very weak, and this is also looks very weak. If we look below the support of this part of the area, okay. But the possibility of it needs to take so much of time. If it takes another pullback, and if it forms any good rejection candle over here, then it's a downfall, okay. Or else if it comes at this point of a support, and if it takes a some amount of time and it starts to make a double bottom over here, then we can expect a very good rally, okay, because this part of the area looks very weak. So if it makes a double bottom over here, we can expect a very good uptrend rally. Right now, there is no possibility of any trades looking at. As it forms a lazy fall, okay, it becomes a strength for an uptrend. As it forms a lazy rise for a lazy fall, okay. Just a lazy rise. The cap is break, but this is not a breakout. Okay, mid cap is break, but this is not a breakout. This is just a pullback. Okay, but the pullback is strong. There's a breakout in a nifty. The first 5 minute candle I was taken out, but the strength is not there. Okay, so no long opportunity or no entry, no fresh entries are there in nifty. A breakout is there, but the strength is not there. Okay, let's wait for a kind of double bottom. Okay, a kind of double bottom in nifty, trying to move up. Good. Let's see the nifty options. Okay, beating any opportunities or what. Bank nifty is ready to break out this part. Bank nifty is ready to take out the first 5 minute candle. Nifty is becoming strong. If we see an option, nifty, see an ATM. Okay. A good breakout has happened. Needs to be seen. It takes the follow-up candles. This is good. This is a rejection. Okay, this is a rejection. See, exactly at the day's high, the 5 minute candles day's high, Bank Nifty is getting a rejection. No long opportunity. Okay, no long opportunity in Nifty. This is not a long. This is just a pullbacks. Okay, just the leg is what stretching out. That means just the price is what rising. We want a momentum rise, not a price rise. Nifty still looks good, but if you look at an option, there is no opportunity because this part of the area looks very weak. Good rejection in Bank Nifty. Nifty also, this part of the area looks very weak. Okay, so we want this weakness to be cleared out. Let's wait for a long opportunity. Let it come back to this resistance level and let this resistance act as support for an uptrend rally, uptrended rally. So if it forms any base over here and if the thing starts to look very strong, so we can go for a long opportunity in Nifty. Yep, also there's no much opportunity. Just a pullbacks. Again, the stock is what that means the index is or the price is what stuck in between a range of a support and a resistance. So the possibility of the sideways will be the more. Okay, the possibility of the sideways will be the more. In the sideways, here and there, you can able to see the breakouts, but those all breakouts are not the genuine or they are not the strong breakouts. Okay, they are the fake breakouts. There will be the fake breakouts. Okay, in the sideways range. If we look this part of the area in Nifty, see the multiple resistance. Okay, the multiple resistance. The index is what opened exactly at the yesterday's closing price. Okay, and At this point of area, if we look, there is a multiple barriers. That means one is the yesterday's close will be act as a resistance, and today's opening, that means today's opening and today's day's high will be act as a resistance for. Okay, so now for the fin nifty there is a multiple barriers or multiple resistance, so this is a rejection. Okay, this will be a rejection. If it is a rejection, it will come still down, and it will if it really wants to go up, then it will form a base over here, then it will give a good rally towards an upside. In all the indexes, this is what the structure looking out. See, this is a fake breakout. Okay, fake breakout gap. So can we use that opportunity for a short? No. If we use an opportunity for a shorting, the rally won't be huge. Okay, the rally won't be huge. Let's see some of the stocks. Okay. Here we are good for a shorting, but needs to be wait. Okay, it's looking good for a shorting. Midcap, nothing. If we look for an indexes performance, we have a Nifty Energy is what trading at an 1.2% up, and healthcare is what trading at a 1.5% up, and auto is what trading at a 2% up. Good. And if we see a metal, it is 1% up. Pharma is almost 1.8% up. Okay. Good. Auto and healthcare is what that means pharma is what looking very good. Let's concentrate on those sector stocks. So right now no longer no short. Okay, right now no opportunity in the indexes. Right now no longer no short. This is what. Okay, it perfectly look for a short. That means it's just a pullback is there, and here this area of a resistance. Okay, now for uptrend this will be acted as support. This will be the strength can be shown over at this point of area. So if we look towards a stocks, auto is literally doing well. So if we see a Tata Motors, it's already up by 8%. It's up by 7%. Okay, Tata Motors is up by almost 7.2 to 7.3%. It's a gap up opened. Okay, no opportunity in Tata Motors. What a gap up, yaar. We want this kind of gap ups. Okay, 4%, and all the Tata Motors investors are sitting at a good profit for a day. Fantastic. retail investors or retail intraday traders should not go for a long opportunity. Okay, this is what they would have done. They would be have already done. Okay, when the stock starts to make a new IRI, they would have already entered at this point of the time. Okay, would have already entered at this point. They look that or they feel like they'll sense like okay, the stocks will still move higher. The logically speak, see, Tata Motors is already up by 4%. Any stock raising it this much of gap up, giving it this much of a gap up for a day, then still how much you can expect from that stock, right? When the gap up opens, usually the digestion of that gap up will be there. That means a sell off, the profit booking will become. So you can't expect and you can't go and enter a new fresh long there. Okay, a good rejection. This is a rejection in Bank Nifty. The same candle is what taken out. That's a good rejection at that too at a level of a resistance. Very good. Also no shorting opportunity. Okay, we have this swing will be acts as a support. Needs to be seen. Let's go for a BPC here. BPCL up by almost 4%, near to 4%. This was a good rally. BPCL. Fantastic value on Friday. BPCL. Very good. Today also trying to make an up move. This part of the area looks very strong, okay, because it has opened above the that means yesterday's closing price and yesterday's near to yesterday's, and these both part of the areas will act as a support for an uptrend stock. So this is where strength has shown. Some selling. No stock. Right away, no short. Okay. Right away, no shorting. This part of the area looks very good for a shorting. Let's wait for on pullback. Okay. Let's wait for on pullback. Okay, let's monitor a mid-cap option. Okay, what the PE is saying. Let's see. Let's go for an ETMP. Let's go for today's experiment. No short opportunity. That means no PE long in mid cap, no PE long. If we just look an option chart, it will clearly says the picture. Okay, it clearly says the picture of what can we enter a long or can we enter a short. This part of the area. Glorified 7 minute only. Okay, so no long, no PE long, mid cap, just a pullback. This is what I have said. There will be some kind of short, and if it forms a good base and if it again made a candle like this, both rise and a fall, then it's a for sure a downtrend rally. Okay, it's a shorting opportunity. It's to be wait. It's to be wait. So this is not a shorting. Okay, not a shorting. So if this is a case, the mid cap will take some amount of time. That means for some part of the time it will be in a consolidation. Good. No opportunity in the BPCL. Good price. Good breakout. Where is the selling? Selling, buying. Good move. Again, there is no buying. there is no buying, so again no short opportunity as well. Let's go for a Cipla. It's a pharma. See any of the opportunities we'll get for a day. Stocks. Pretty good. Let's see here once again, right? So okay, it's a good going. We have a selling. We have a selling at this point. We have a buying and a good breakout from that point of an area. So no buying here as well. Okay, just a consolidation is happening. So let's see. We want a good base. Okay, there we can able to enter. So right now we are also no opportunity. This part of the game looks very good. Good. This is what we want. Pullback. As long as it makes a pullback or it makes a consolidation or it makes a pullback rally, it will be good for a short. Let's go for a coal India. Let's go for an Adani Ent. No opportunities. Let's go for an M&M. Again a no opportunity. Let's go for an Hero. What happening? Looking for a short. If it takes a time over here, this part of the whole area looks very weak. So we can expect a little bit of shorting over here. Let's go for a Tata Steel. This looks good. Okay, let's see any opportunities we get. Okay, for long also it's looking very good. For long going also it's looking good. So what I will do means, okay, there's a resistance at this point of area. Okay, so it's selling. What I will do means, how it breaking went up, we can pull back. Okay, a good point. Okay, this part of the area looks very good. Okay, this will be considered as a breakout. Some uptrend can be seen. Good, very good. Exactly at the level of a resistance. That's good. So what we will do means, we'll put because selling came in here, buying came in here. The possibility of uptrend is there in a Tata Steel. Let's wait. A good consolidation of base is what we made. So right now no buying opportunity. Needs to be seen how it breaks this point of area. It is the Tata Steel is what halted at previous resistance. So let's see. Will it break strongly the prior resistance and the day's high resistance? Okay. So if these things was done, so we can go for a long. Okay. No buying. That is why I said no buying. See, the options will say clearly whether need to go for a buying or what. Nothing. No, just sideways. So let's try to gain some opportunities from the stocks. Okay. So let's monitor the Tata Steels, and along with Tata Steels, let's go for some other things like, let's go for an Wipro. Let's see for an IT. Okay. Or doing becoming big. No opportunity for selling as well. Exactly at a level of that resistance, so support is there, so no opportunity, just a sideways. Okay, we're going towards sideways, at least for this point of time. Mm, Still no fresh entry. Let's go for a Tech Mahindra. No opportunity. No opportunity. Let's go for an Apollo Hospitals. So go for this. No opportunity. So let's go for a Dr. Reddy. Again, not an opportunity. Let's go for an NTPC. No opportunities or no opportunities. Let's go for an ITC. No opportunity. Everything got stuck sideways. Everything is what got stuck in sideways. If this is a case, this part of the area looks very weak. Okay, for a downtrend, for a downside move. Okay, if Nifty is what looking for a short. Nifty is what. Okay, let's monitor a Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty. Let's go for a P in Nifty. See monitor an ATM P. How it looks. This is looking good for a short side. Looking good. That means Nifty is looking for a short side. Fantastic, a good selling is there, and also buying is there. We want a buyer's fail if it wants to go for a short. So if that is a case, we want a pullback. Okay, we want a very good pullback, and we want a very good red candle at this point of it, somewhere around 10:20. Right now the time is 10:15 for another 5 minutes. Okay, right now there won't be a breakout. Okay, there won't be a breakout at this point of an area. So let's wait. A good buying is there at this point. So we want that needs to fail. If this kind of setup fails, that won't be a very great downfall. Okay, we want a pullback and fall. We want a pullback and fall. We want a stretch and fall. All this is what we pullback. Okay, selling plus buying. Buying plus buying. This looks shorting only. So want a pullback. Okay, we don't want a straight away fall. Let's see if this candle close in green and if the next candle close in red. That's also good, but we want a good pullback, not a good stretch. This is a good swing for okay. Right away no shorting, then right away no shorting. Easy market today, even because no trades. Let's see power grid. Okay, no opportunity. Let's go for an auto. Bajaj auto. Let's go for a Bajaj auto. Yeah, any no opportunity. Let's go for an FTI. This looks good for a short. Let's see. This looks good for a short. So what happened is like we have a level of support over here. We have a good base from. So in a single shot breaking a strong base is impossible. Good. This is good. This is good. Okay. Nifty looks good. This is what I expected. If this candle goes in the green and next candle goes in the red, that is what I have said. This looks for a short, but there is no much fall will be there. Okay, because these swings will be act as a level of support, so it needs to be weighed. Running is like, let's wait. Let's wait for another red candle and then for a green candle. Okay, let's wait for another red candle formation over here, and if it again makes a green candle, then look for a long, B long. Straight away break is there, then that won't be a much fall. Okay, that won't be much fall. TP is what shooting. Still you won't go for the B lock. Let's wait. Let's wait. There won't be a much selling opportunity. Okay? Let's wait. Won't be a much. If you look at this point of area, this part of the area looks very strong. Okay, so this is not a good time to short. This is not a good time to short. Somewhere around here, this part of the area looks very strong. You want a pullback, okay? Not a good pullback. Of course, a good premium has raised. Almost 8%, 9%, 6%, and almost of near to 15 to 18% of rise. Good. Still, this won't looks that much of great. There's a fall there accepted, but I won't feel a further much for. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Our short entry got still not triggered in any index. This is good, okay. That's why I said there is no much further falling. It's to be seen if there's no that much of any negative sentiment, okay, to side away falls or like a scary falls, okay. So if it really wants to fall, it needs to take a time, okay. It needs to take a pullback. It needs to take a time. Then it needs to give a fall, okay. So see at this point, see someone would have shorted at this point, okay. Midcap, someone would have shorted at this point. All the results will be out, okay. What is this candle? This is a 1021 candle. That means they would have bought at this point of area, okay. They would have bought at this point of area. This is a false breakout, okay. This is a false breakout, and someone would have bought at this highest point in a mid cap. Someone who bought an option at this point, see all the results, they would have kept a maximum of 10 to 15 rupees, okay. And even if I even if I just show for a case 17 rupees, see all the results would be what out. So you need to be understand what is a right breakout, what is not a right breakout. Where is strength is there, where is not strength is there. Okay, this is the thing. This is where we have saved our SL for one trade. Okay, that's why we not entered. Good. And if we see a if we see a Nifty, the Nifty made a good fall. Okay. What happening is what happened like. Took a 5 minute candles, took a 5 minute candle, right? But very weakly it took, so you can expect a send off. So that's why I've said there won't be a much move. It's to be seen. This literally looks good for short. Okay, this literally looks good for short mid cap. Nifty is bouncing back. But mid cap looks very good for short side. Needs to be wait for some good opportunity to get triggers. Have a lazy rise means good for shorting. Mm. Suppose if you take any scalp in LTIM, you should keep an XL of this instead of 15. It's to be. So I straight away buying on this. So let's wait. Let's wait. Overall, this perfectly looks for shorting. Okay, mid cap perfectly look for shorting. Needs to be wait. That's it. Needs to be wait patiently. Fantastic. Let's go for a PE side, but let's wait. Okay, I'm expecting a market to like the mid cap to fall. I'm expecting a mid cap to fall. Let's wait for some more time to get that opportunity to get. Okay, so I see. This is also looks good for a short. Let's see NFTC. Straight away fall won't come. Straight away rise won't come. Okay. We need a consolidation and we need a rise. It's okay. And, Hope we look for short perfectly or making a good structure. Okay, good structure for shorting. Let's later. If we buy at this point, if we keep assets over here, just a pullback will hit assets, so no long opportunity. Okay, no long. Even if it rise, that's good. Let's not enter. Bank Nifty sideways. Nifty is looking good. And check Nifty. What C said? Just trading just 18 equals. Lazy rise, okay, or like this what just price is what moving, or like this what stretching out. This is why I have said no long opportunity. This is the reason why I have said no long opportunity. When there is a lazy rise, how can we expect the market to still go up, right? See, that's it. See, we'll get a still pullback. Nifty perfectly look for shorting, okay, everywhere. Midcap is looking good, okay. Midcap is what just stretching out. AC rise. If it still rise and if it gives you another very good strong candle, some close of the red candle, it's perfectly look for a short. Apparently, this is good. Expected in the morning. Still have a potentiality to go up. So what do I do means the 1 minute it looks weak. So let's wait for a new opportunity. Midcap is looking perfectly good. Midcap is looking good for a short, but still it not got triggered in options. Okay, it looks good, but candlesticks are not much of great. We have a barrier over here, so this is what we want. This is what we want. This is good. That means still it takes a much amount of time. Okay, for a fall. Perfect look for short, needs to wait. Let's go for a stock specific. Okay, let's see an Adani Ports. See, stock is stretched from its low, from a day's low. Needs to be seen. A barrier is also there for an upside. That means yesterday's high. So let's see. Good going. Adani Ports. That's okay. Let's monitor an Adani port. Okay. Still the strength is there. Okay. Still the strength is there. So what we'll do means we'll enter at this point. Let's keep a stop loss of this. And let's try to get some money shoot. Okay. Let's try to get some money shoot. Okay. Adani port is now open. Let's see how it goes. This looks good. Let's wait. Just a sideways. Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty is becoming strong. Okay, that means showing a potential towards an upside. See, Fin Nifty is making a base over here. And, see the previous level. Okay, this is also good. The good base is there. Trying to make a base. That means some fighting is there at this zone. Needs to be seen. Possibility of if it really wants to go up, it needs to take an enormous amount of time. That means whatever the base formed from this point to till this point, that means from 10 20 to almost of 11 o'clock, that means for 40 minutes of time, again it needs to spend again some 30 to 40 minutes of time to form another base, so that we can expect this is what the real base and we can expect an uptrend, or else if it fails from here, this is a false base. Okay, so that we can expect a market to move towards a downside. Cap is looking good. Still not there. We kept looking for a fall, but if it falls from this this level, the fall won't be huge. Okay, the fall won't be that much of a huge. What happened at this point is that we have a selling, buying, buying. Okay, let's see. Let's see an UPL. UPL is down by 8%. Okay, it is down by 8% per day. No new entries. Let's go for an enter. Airtel is down by 1.8%. Airtel is down by 1.8%. This is good. Actually, if we see the strength of falling, it has reached the maximum of it. So what is there? So no buying. Okay, only selling is there. No buying. So no short opportunity. Still a short opportunity. This point of area looks very big, so strength is not there. So no shorting as well. Here where the proper good base is what creating out a mid-cap PE. This looks good. Let's go for banknifty. Let's go for a C. Banknifty C looking good. This part of the area looks very good. So let's enter a banknifty long. Okay, we are entering banknifty C long. Let's see how that position goes. This part of the area looks very good. Okay, we'll keep some 50 as an SL. Let's expect some 1 to 3. Okay, banknifty looks good. Let's see how it goes. Perfectly looking for a long. Nifty is a little bit weak. Nifty is also good. Nifty midcap is looking for a short, but banknifty is making a base. straight out. Let's see how this goes. This part of the area looks big only, but still we entered. Okay, this part of the area looks very big, so sell-off will be there. Okay, sell-off will be there. Still it requires a pullback. Straight up for. I'm not expecting a straight up for. You want a pullback, okay? You want a very good pullback. It should show like it should create a structure like it is breaking out this thing. Okay, so let's wait until that. Let's see. This looks good for a short. Gap looks good for a short. But the thing is, the fall may not become. This looks pretty good for sure. But what about an option? Okay, that's good. That's literally looking good. Let's go for a mid-cap PE long. Okay, let's go for a mid-cap PE long. Let's expect some 1:3. Okay, this looks good. Let's expect some 1:3. Bank Nifty is not working out. Okay, fine. At least even if this works out, it would be good. But yeah, Expiry is there, and this part of the area looks very weak. This is also, this is where essence is what creating out. Okay, perfectly looks good. So that's fine. So what we will do means monitor this position. Options are becoming strong. That means possibility of going up is there. I just want one candle to take out this thing. Okay. Looking good. Needs to be wait. Say that things will be what get triggering out. T started to head higher, and Bank Nifty also took a pullback. So our long is what getting. Now this have a strength. Bank Nifty have a strength. So this is where it takes a pullback. Distribution. This is not a proper base. Okay, this is not a proper base. When this is a case, thing will be looks good for shorting. Okay, somewhere around here it will take a pullback, and again it will take a rejection, and then it will start to make a very good fall. Just waiting for to get falls to be happen by spending a good amount of time. kind of both is that rise and fall. If falls comes, it can comes until this point. If rise comes, again it can come until this point, somewhere around this or this. Okay, this is also okay. So bank nifty started to show the strength. This is good, 2% up. So mid cap B will be working out, I think. This part of the area looks very weak, so let's cut this out. Okay, let's cut this out. Let's see only bank nifty. Strength is there in the bank nifty. Let's cut this out. So for a pullback it may eat less, so let's cut this out. Strength not there. Okay, strength not there. Just making a lazy rise. We don't want a lazy rise. Let's wait still for a B side. Strength not there. Adani port is what just stuck in a sideways range. We see an HCL Tech. Fantastic. This is good. Bank Nifty is looking good. A good moment in Bank Nifty. This is what a lazy rise happening. This is fantastic. In one candle we are up by 8%. Bank Nifty is good. I'm expecting a Bank Nifty to reach this target, 45,975. Let's hold. Let's monitor still. One is to 8, so let's try to expect 1:2. Okay. Possibility is there. The possibility of Bank Nifty going still up is there. Okay. Because it started its rally now, right? So strength will be there to move towards an upside. If that is the case, then it will take out the day's I. Okay, day's I and the first 5-minute candle I. It's to be seen. Just a consolidation. opportunity in Midcap. Bank Nifty is what taking pull back. Fine. Let's see. It will take some time. This pullback has happened. Nifty is weak, okay. Nifty is what? See, just a lazy rise. Just a lazy rise. Bank Nifty has a potential to do. If that is the case, it will drag the Nifty to upward. Just a sell-off is what holding, okay. Selling is what holding in Midcap. Midcap is perfectly look for selling, but it is just what getting good. Nifty looks weak. The same Bank Nifty has some potentiality. Options are what dropping out. Let's see, some weakness is there, okay. We have a sell-off. We have a sell-off. Now started from this point. Yeah, wait, okay. Let's wait. This part of the area also looks very weak. some strength is there. Needs to be seen. A single candle is enough. Okay, a single one candle is enough to take the all these red candles. So strength is also there. Needs to be seen out. Let's see. Bajaj Finance. Okay. Bajaj Finance. Yeah. No opportunity right now. We want the next candle to be closing green, okay? If it wants a potentiality potentiality, we want the next candle to be closing in green. It needs to close above this black line, okay? This support. Let's see. banknifty looking totally weak. So some sideways. Okay, I'm expecting this candle to be closing in a green. Okay, I'm expecting this candle for a green close. So, little bit of selling. Here where some sell needs to become. See the scary fall. Part of the sun looks completely weak. Want this is a case what gonna happen. Let's see how this candle. I'm expecting this still candle to close in green. Fantastic, this close in a doji. At least if not in